All right, what is up, everyone? In this video, we are going to be doing a trade breakdown on the two signals that I sent out today, US30 and NOS100. Now, I want to talk about these. I want to talk about both these, so you guys can hopefully learn from them and basically what I was looking at. I haven't made a video on this channel in a while, so I'm gonna keep posting videos for you guys, so you guys can learn, earn, and hopefully take something away from these videos. So two trades we were looking at today, right? US3 and NOS 100. And I'm going to show you guys this and basically just break everything down for you guys so you just have a really good understanding. Now, today was a good day for me, just over, $4,000 in profit. I'll show you guys here everything. So if we go to the Discord group, right, we got the Discord group, which is 100% free. You guys can click the link below this video and then join. Again, it's 100% free. So today was just, where is it? So basically $4,400 in profit. And what I was looking at here, so we sent the signal out, right? We sent the signal out here at like 8:17. Where is it? So 8:16 a.m. we basically sent it right here, where we were basically looking to basically sell the position, sell US30 as well as NOS 100, and then she did hit areas of take profit 1, 2, 3, and then there's a chart with this is a chart with NOS 100 where she came down for the sell and then take profit 1, 2, 3, and then obviously US30 take profit, sell, take profit 1, 2, 3. So it was, it was a really, really good day. I'm happy with everything. I can't complain. So I want to show you guys exactly what I was looking at here. So US30, right? Previously, earlier the week, she had gapped up and then it was basically pushing, and she, was holding the support level right here. So, this morning I saw it basically coming down. I was looking for a sell, right? Looking to sell it, break that support area, and then just drop down. And, nothing crazy, right? I was just looking to make profit. Obviously, if it kept dropping, then it would have been a really good day, really good trade. But basically closed out the trade, and then from there she squeezed all the way up. So that's what I was looking at, right? I was looking to the left, looking for that area to basically crack that support level and just drop, make quick profit down there. And then very, very similar with NOS 100. This case is a little bit different, right? She had gapped up, came down, but she was really holding this key structure area right here, basically looking for, she was coming down, and she was basically coming down here, and forming, making lows, right? It was making lower, higher, lower highs, lower highs, lower highs, and then looking for it to basically crack, right? Crack this area and just drop, and that's exactly what happened. It did do that. We had the area of take profit 1, 2, 3. So just quick, easy trade. Sometimes you don't need these trades to be like big monster moves where you're holding for hours and hours and hours. If I can come every single day and make anywhere from $1,000 to $4,000, I'm really, really happy with it. So hopefully you could take that away from this video, is that when you're watching, when you're basically looking for a trade, you're looking for a setup, you want to see key areas, and either look to crack them and then capture the move for those quick drops. But that's it for this video. Just something short, simple, sweet. I like to put these trade recaps out for you guys, because I feel like that's when people really, really learn. Because like I said, it's easy for people just to post profits all day long, but you kind of want to know why someone took the trade, right? Why did they take the trade? What was the reason? Where did they enter the trade? Where did they exit the trade? What was the reason behind the trade, right? So that's it for this video. Hopefully it helps you guys, and happy trading.